Hi everyone, welcome to another session of GCSE Maths. In this tutorial, we're going to look at fractions. So we're going to start with mixed and improper fractions. Here we got an example. It says convert 3.5 into an improper fraction. So at the moment, this is a mixed fraction because we go whole number. 3 is a whole number, and then we go half, which is a fraction. Hence, it's a mixed fraction. So what we have to do is we have to convert this whole number into halves. Here it says change 3.5 into halves. So 3 is our whole number. And to convert into half, so what we have to do, we have to multiply this 3 with this 2. So 3 times 2, which is 6. So it should be 6 halves. So if we split 3 whole numbers into halves, so that will be 6 halves. And we go another half here. So we go 6 halves. When we convert this 3, we'll have 6 halves, and we go another halves. So altogether we go 7 halves. So here it says there is another half in the fraction part of 3.5. So altogether there are 7 halves. So meaning that 3.5 is the same as 7/2. So the easiest way to understand is you have to multiply this number with this number, and then you need to add the remainder. So 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7. So whatever answer you get, so you need to write on the numerator, which is 7, and then your base would be same. So 3.5, which is same as 7 halves, which is our answer. Okay. Moving on to next example. So now we're gonna convert 7/2 into a mixed number, which means we need to find out whole number and fraction number. What we have to do is we need to divide this 7 by 5. So it should be 1 whole, and then remainder would be 2. So we can write 7/5 as whole number, which is 1, and then we keep the base number same as before, which is 5, and then whatever is the remainder, which is gonna go on the top. So 7/5 same as 1 whole number, and then 2/5. So this is our answer for this one. Next example, it says work out 4/7 plus 1/3. Okay, with this example, what we have to do is we have to work out the lowest common multiple between 7 and 3, or denominators. So the multiple of 7 would be 1 times 7, and this is the only multiple, and then for 3 would be 1 times 3. So if you can't find anything, the best way to work out the lowest common multiple is so if you multiply both numbers together, so that would be 7 times 3, which is 21. So this is our lowest common multiple. So now we need to write the equivalent fraction using 21 as the new common denominator. So now the way we can write, so we go 4/7 here, 4/7, so we go 4/7 here, we go common denominator, which is 21, which is 3 times more than this number. So we have to apply same rule on the numerator as well. So that would be 4 times 3, that will be 12. So 4 over 7 is same as 12 over 21. Similarly, 1/3 we can write as, so we go 21, which is our common denominator, which means 3 times 7, 7 times more. So we can apply same rule on the top number. So that will be 1 times 7, which equals to 7. So our original question was 4 over 7 plus 1/3. So you're going to write 4 over 7 plus, sorry, that should be 1/3, not 4 over 7. So I copied same number on this one. So that should be 1 over 3. So it should be 1 over 3. Yeah. So instead of 4 over 7, we go 12 over 21. So you go that. And then instead of 1/3, we go 7 over 21. Now, if you look at the denominator, which is 21, same number, so we can take as a common denominator, which is 21. So now, since the denominator is same, so we can add these two numbers together. So that will be 12 add 7, which is 19. And this is our answer. So 19 over 21. So question was 4 over 7 plus 1/3. And answer is 19 over 21. Okay, so moving on to next example. It says work out 3 over 5 times by 2 over 3. So all we have to do is we just write 3 times 2, which is the numerators. And then on the denominator, we go 5 times 3. So that will be 3 times 2 equals to 6. 5 times 3 equals to 15. Now, if we simplify this one, so if we divide top and bottom by 3, so that will be 2, and that will be 5. So our answer is 2 over 5. Now we go mixed fraction here, so we need to multiply two mixed fraction numbers. So you go two whole numbers 2 and 2 over 5 times 1, 2 over 3. So we can work out the mixed fraction as improper fraction. So all we have to do is we need to multiply these two together, and then we need to add the top or numerator. So that will be 2 times 5 plus 2. So that will be 12 over 5. We're going to do same thing for this number as well. So that will be 1 times 3 plus 2. So we are multiplying this one with this one and then adding this one. So that will be 1 times 3 plus 2, which is 5. And then we go the base number, which is 3. So question was 2 over 5 times 1 2 over 3, which is these two numbers, which we can write instead of 2 over 5, we can write 12 over 5 times by 5 over 3. Now we can write these two numbers as 12 times 5 on top, 5 times 3, which is 15. So if we simplify the top number, which would be 12 times 5, which is 60. And then on the bottom we go 15. If we simplify this one, if we divide 60 by 15, that would be 4. So our answer is 4. Now moving on to next example. It says find 2/5 of 40. So we can write 2 over 5 times by 40. Now, if we divide that 40, so 5 is going to go 8 times into 40. So that would be 2 times 8, which is 16. So this is our answer. Okay, so that's it from me for today. If you guys got any question, please feel free to ask in the comment box, and please subscribe for next video. Thank you for watching.